all my lovely friends. Very sorry that we got late in our new video because I was slightly tied up with a family function. But this time we are back with a bang and we are smiling. In this video we are going to talk about cleaning process in dental office. What is dental cleaning? Have you ever gone to a dentist for dental cleaning? My patient yesterday asked me, "Doctor, I got my teeth cleaned from some other dentist and now I have started experiencing gaps between my teeth." Have you also experienced the same thing? Most of you will say yes, and yes, that is what you experience after dental cleaning, but that is not because of dental cleaning. Then why is it? So this is the thing which we are going to discuss in the video. Please stay tuned to our channel, and also if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get all the notification regarding our videos from time to time. Thank you guys. Keep watching.
So friends, here we are going to do cleaning of this patient today. Okay, you can see some white stuff on your teeth, and now you can see that breaking down into smaller particles. This is called as tartar. You must have heard about tartar in lot of advertisements. Tartar is a form of food which gets lodged between your tooth and your gums, and then that food gets calcified or hard due to some components in our saliva, and then it is extremely difficult for us to remove that just with the help of brushing. Many patients tell me that I brush thrice a day, 4 times a day, but that tartar is not going. It will never come out with your normal toothbrush because it is hard now. So you have to get a professional tooth cleaning done every 6 to 8 months down the line. That is extremely important. You can see that is between your gums, so you can see some redness on the gums, red line which has started to form around your gums. That is because your gums are not in a healthy state when they are in contact with the tartar. So you need to get this tartar out on regular intervals with the help of dental cleaning procedure. You can see it is getting lodged between two teeth. So when we remove that tartar between the two teeth, now you can appreciate some gaps between the two teeth which have started to form, right? So these are the gaps that you feel have happened because of the dental cleaning, but no guys, these gaps were because those gaps were filled with tartar and the gums in those region went down because they don't like tartar. Gums do not like tartar, so they start going down. That is a sign. You can see this view which is from inside. See that white stuff between your teeth. Now we are going to remove that. It's really tough to remove it even with a cleaning machine. This is a ultrasonic cleaning machine. This vibrates at a very high speed, leading to breaking down of the tartar, and so we can remove that tartar easily. Many a times patients tell me that doing lot of cleaning will spoil their teeth or will remove the outer surface or enamel layer of their teeth. So guys, I want to tell you that there is nothing like that, because cleaning machine does not grind your teeth, it just vibrates. It will not at all grind your teeth, it is just going to vibrate. So there is no harm to enamel layer of your tooth. So you can do it even every month, that's not a problem, but at least 6 months once you need to do cleaning procedure so that your gums are healthy. And if your gums are healthy, then the support on your gums is going to be good. See that bleeding signs which you can see. Most of the times when you have lot of tartar accumulation between your teeth, you can also appreciate symptoms like bleeding after toothbrushing. So that is because there is lot of tartar between your teeth and you need to get it removed. So this is how we do the cleaning, and this is why cleaning is very important, and cleaning has zero harmful effects on your teeth.
So friends, did you see what exactly we do in dental cleaning and what exactly happens in your mouth and why you experience those spaces between your teeth after you get your teeth cleaned. For that reason, you need to keep your teeth clean by brushing twice daily, and also get your teeth clean in the dental office every 6 to 8 months, so that you don't experience these gaps and don't experience the gums going down. And to keep your gums and teeth healthy, always keep good oral hygiene and keep watching our videos to know more and more about dental related stuff. Also, if you like the video, please like it, and also give us some comments about your doubts or any queries related to any dental related issues. Thank you for watching. Share this video as much as possible so that all your loved ones know what is the importance of cleaning your teeth. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Look good, feel good.